Mahalaga na dekalidad yung mga ginagamit namin na semento dahil sa legacy infrastructures yung tinatayo namin. Hindi siya yung tatayo mo ngayon, isang bagyo, dalawang bagyo, masisira na. So legacy infrastructures ito, it will last generations to come. Kailangan dekalidad talaga and high quality yung cement na ginagamit natin para sa mga projects na mga binubuhusan namin. Keith Justman Alojado. I'm an entrepreneur since after college. Sinimulan ko yung Tarlac Apex Concrete Products Incorporated noong 2019. So far, it has been really good since the start. 4 trucks lang meron kami. Ngayon, we have 16 transit mixers. And then we also invested in logistics team. So we have our own raw materials, dump trucks for pickup ng mga raw material supply namin. Matagal na kaming partners ni Northern Cement since 2020. Isa siya sa maging pinakamalaking suporta sa amin nung pandemic. And sa quality, dekalidad, so ordering, mabilis yung response nila, nakaka-deliver agad. Pag kailangan ko ng madaming semento, pinapadala. Pag kailangan ko ng konti, sinusuportahan din kami. Matagal na yung pagsuporta ni Northern Cement. Sa quality, wala kaming problema. When it comes to technical, kompleto din sila. We have a really good relationship with Northern Cement and they have been one of our longest suppliers. What we want is to leave all our projects with quality assurance, aesthetically made. Kasi ready-mix concrete is 50% ready-mix concrete supplier, 50% contractors. If magaling contractor and maganda yung supply ng quality cement, maganda yung pagka-finish, maganda yung paggagawa, it will last long yung roads, schools, buildings na i-pour namin.